Welcome back. Today we're flying in Curran Apple Orchard Park in University Place, Washington. I saw that this park on Google Maps was on our way to Chambers Creek Park, so we stopped here to fly a few packs before hitting Chambers Creek. My wife's stepbrothers grew up in a house that's almost directly across the street from this park. When they were growing up, it was a private orchard, so they were never able to visit. I love that it's now open to the public. What a cool space.
His arms all around me and he's turning my eyes. Still calm and quiet now, my precious boy. Don't struggle like that, I will only love you. But it's much too late to get away. Turn on the light. The Spider-Man is having you for dinner tonight. And I feel like I'm being eaten by 1,000 shivering furry holes. I know that in the morning I will wake up in the shivering cold. And the Spider-Man is always hungry.
This orchard was a ton of fun to fly and thoroughly tested my throttle skills. I wish I routinely had the option to fly here. There are so many amazing gaps in these trees. I definitely hope to come back and fly here again the next time I'm in town. And a special thanks to my wife's mom Tookie and her cute little corgi Jojo for coming out to fly with me. That was really awesome. As always, thanks for flying with me, and I hope you have an amazing weekend.